Mechanical sympathy has got to be one of the most important things to maintaining these cars. I changed the oil when I got it. I haven't changed the oil since. I have lost a lot of oil because this thing, when turning a corner, drops low pressure in the oil department really quickly, which I kind of feel like is the equivalent of standing up too quick for an old person's. So we need to put more oil in this thing. I'm going to change some gaskets. We're going to finish the install of the snorkel and do a bunch of other things in this episode to get this thing safe and mechanically sound for off-road. So let's do it. So before I change the gasket, we're going to do an engine flush. I put it in the car, ran it for 5 minutes, then drain the oil. So I've never done this before. I feel like it's going to go wrong. Things tend to go wrong for me when I work in this car. So removes engine sludge, varnish, and deposits with oil drain. Creates a cleaner environment for new oil and maximizes the oil life. Suitable with mineral, semi-synthetic, and synthetic oils. Ensures optimal oil circulation while conditioning seals and minimizing compression loss. I definitely want to be minimizing compression loss. Time to let it cool, and we can do something else in the meantime, I think. Like work out how to take the radiator stuff apart so I can change the water pump. I have a handbook. I got this off a guy on Facebook Marketplace. I have Rocky Road that my wife made. Thank you, darling. It's delicious. 4 bolts. Inspect water pump. You know, we're replacing it anyway. So I don't care about any of that. I don't care about any of this. Drain engine coolant. Remove drive belts. Remove fan and water pump pulley. Disconnect hoses from water pump. Remove water pump. Easy. Wow, that is not much oil at all that came out. I'd be lucky if 3 litres came out of this thing, man. Mate, some of these are loose as. Like, literally finger tight. Stop moving, mate. Yeah. Got it. Well, g'day. Oh, it's crusty. Sump out, give it a quick clean, and then give that gasket and a good clean, and then we'll refit it and actually tension those bolts up, because hilly-dilly they will not tension at all. Mate, thrashed. These were absolutely thrashed. So we've got a brand new one of these to go in. Get all that sorted. I've been on gin and tonics. Oh, so good.
346 minutes later.
No, I need help, bro. I can't do this on my own. This is absolutely not a one-man job. This is a joke, bro. So we'll I got a friend coming.
A few minutes later.
Done. Gasket is on. Matt, thank you very much. I love you. Thank you for helping me out. I'm gonna fill this up with oil. 20W60. That's great. Oil filter, oil, engine cleaner, sump gasket. Water pump's next. Water pump. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's go. Here we go. We're on. It's hot. Okay. Well, this puts a stop to it because the one they sent out looks very different. Another day, another setback. All right, I'm back. I'm going to keep using this water pump because the new one's way too far away, so we've just got to give the back a good clean. And then I've got some gasket silicone makeup, so we'll try that. And let's do it. I got the backing plate off the water pump. Does this explain how difficult this bolt was to get off? I tried WD, hammer, heat, blowtorch, everything. I ended up having to weld a screw tip on and then the bolt on to get that off with an impact driver. And so finally got that off. We're gonna clean this gasket up, put the metal plate back on, then a second gasket, and then put that back in the All right, that is all cleaned up. This backing plate and the gasket is all cleaned up. By a stroke of luck, I have the exact tap for these three. So I'm just gonna run this through, make it a little bit easier. I've wire brushed all the bolts, so we'll just quickly go through and just a one over just to clean it all out. And then that's it. Cool, so we'll leave this for an hour. Leave it for an hour and then we can remount it. Nice and clean. All right, we'll put that back on. All right, it's back on. Gasket seal is on, so I've just nipped it up. I haven't torqued it yet. I'll let it cure for an hour or two. It says an hour, I might give it like an hour and a bit. And then I will torque. Far out there, if there's some leaks, I'm gonna be burning. All right, that is all back on. We just gotta put the fan and stuff back in now, which you've seen. I'm gonna leave it there because this video is gonna be monstrous. If you like the video, please give me a like. If you enjoyed it, give me a like, leave a, I don't know, whatever I usually say. And yeah, bye.